Hey everybody, good morning from Vietnam. We just woke up in the old quarter of Hanoi, Vietnam on a Saturday, kind of a quiet Saturday. And we figure today we'll film a vlog, a walking tour of Hanoi. So we'll see kind of wherever the road takes us, see what we can see. We'll bring you guys along with us. A couple things we'll see for sure. We'll see this temple up ahead, which is called
Ngoc Son Temple.
Ngoc Son Temple. We'll see St. Joe's Cathedral, and we'll see the famous Hanoi Train Station.
And we're now at the Hoan Kiem Lake. It's a famous lake in the middle of the old quarter here in Hanoi. So
come on with us. So as you can see the little monument out here. Pretty relaxing place. I'm just realizing how great it would be to fly the drone off here, right off here, but we're not going to do that because it's illegal, and it's probably pretty bad karma flying the drone at a temple. So it's time for some coffee. We were just walking along and we stumbled into this place that is completely covered in post-it notes, and there's post-it notes in here from all over the world. I guess travelers come here and write one or two and stick them on the walls. So it's pretty cool. And people that work here are incredibly friendly, taking our picture, posting it to their Instagram. Really cool. We really enjoyed this place. It's called The Note Coffee. So this place is called The Note. You saw the notes everywhere. I got a note that says, keep smiling, it looks good on you. What's your note say?
I got no note.
You didn't get a note? Haha, they like me better than you. Haha. So then we'll write a little note and we'll stick it here, you know, jet lag warriors. Cool, man, look at this view. What a great day to do a vlog, man.
So one thing we notice here in Hanoi, everyone is so active and so fit. We see people dancing, playing badminton, jogging, cycling. Everyone is just active and they're all like in a good shape. So good for Hanoi and Vietnam.
We saw some guys playing some kind of kick volleyball.
It looks really fun.
So we just found this place behind us. Evidently it's the oldest church in Vietnam, built in the 1880s by the French. So we're gonna go inside, check it out, see what we can see. Something going on up there. I'm not gonna go up. But it's pretty cool in here, man. It's a really old church. Oh, Ivana's praying. What a sweetheart. She's probably being grateful for the trip we're going on. Ah, Ivana. One thing I noticed walking around the streets of Hanoi, great place to walk, really loved it. But one thing I noticed is there's no homeless people at all. Like, where are all the homeless people? I think it really speaks to the kind of industrious nature, hardworking nature of these people. Even if you're just selling fruits or selling some vegetables, everyone's got a job, everyone's doing something. If you look at all the shops, they're all so clean and tidy. Everyone's really taking care of their stuff. So just something I noticed I wanted to share. It's like, I can't believe you walk, 3 days through a city all around and you haven't seen one homeless person. It's kind of amazing. Pretty cool train track in this little narrow place. I guess the train comes by and people live right beside it. So it's pretty crazy. Maybe we should wait for a train to come. Probably be pretty cool. 3? What time is it now? We'll check because a train coming here would be pretty sweet. It's cool, right? So So no Hanoi vlog would be complete without mentioning the scooters. Just everywhere you look, dozens and dozens of scooters. Every corner, every street. And more importantly than seeing them, it's hearing them. The horns, man. The horns on the scooters is just crazy. I'm sure if I lived here, I would get used to it after a while and it wouldn't, you know, I wouldn't notice it as much, but because I'm a tourist and I'm foreign, it's like non-stop horns. It tires you out, man. So anyway, just wanted to mention that. So we're both pretty tired. It's about 6 p.m. We've been walking all day long doing the vlog. Both jet lagging pretty hard too, because we just got in 2 days ago. That being said, we just heard there's a night market coming up. So for the night market, we're going to, you know,
Just explore the street, trying some street food.
yeah, see what we can see. After all, the name of the channel is Jet Lag Warriors. So we're going to fight through the jet lag, you know, and we'll see what we can see. Just to finish the vlog, we'll see the night market. We are just cooking away. We got our little meat, got the butter going, sizzle, sizzle. And you know what else I like about Vietnam? I really like these little tiny tables and chairs, you know? It's nice. It makes me feel like a kid again, you know? Yum, yum.
So usually when you go to South Asian countries, they serve rice, but in Vietnam I see a lot of buns everywhere instead of rice, and also noodles as well. So they don't really eat a lot of rice here. So it's still really yummy.
So what a great day we had in Hanoi. What a great city to do a vlog in too, really. Lots to do, lots to see, and so photogenic.
Food.
Lots of food, yeah. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And you know, whatever video pops up over here, maybe click on it. Okay, thank you, bye.